If you have been priced out of Lekki and Ikeja, don't scroll. This might be exactly what you're looking for. Welcome to Mowe. And right here in Mowe, we have 3-bedroom duplex plus BQ selling at affordable price. This is an off-plan project that is built to give you comfort, luxury, and peace of mind. This is an estate within an estate. To tell you the truth, Lagos is getting crowded and price of property are going higher. This makes more family to be moving out of Lagos to area like Mowe. Mowe is one of the fast developing area we have right now. Just 45 minutes drive to Ikeja, you are already in Ikeja. 45 minutes drive, you are already in Ikeja. Now, why should you invest here? This title, this property comes with a title. This property comes with a title C of O. Right here we have 32 units right here. And also this property is offering you 12-month payment plan. So you can pay with ease without pressure. So right here we have this property selling at off-plan price, that is pre-launch price. Is already selling at discount. So the best time to buy property is before it's constructed. You are not buying at the market value, you are buying at discounted price. Moreover, this estate is close to major landmark like the Nigeria Breweries, Nestle, Olam Factory, Gold Factory, and we also have Redemption Camp, Mountain of Fire not far from here. Right here, people already living. People are already living in this estate. So if you are interested in this 3-bedroom terrace duplex, or you want land to build to your taste, kindly reach out to me today. Here in Mowe, we have land for sale, and we have bungalows for sale, we have terrace for sale. Smart investors, this is the time to buy into Mowe now that is fast growing. This is the time for you to invest in Mowe so you can also benefit from the growth that is happening here in Mowe. This 3-bedroom terrace duplex is going for 110 million naira. If you want to spread your payment plan for 6 months, it's going for 115 million naira. And if you are spreading for 12 months, it's going for 125 million naira. Now, the price you are seeing it now is not the same price you meet it by next year. So why don't you take the bold step right now? Mowe is not far. Mowe is not far. This is a growing city and many people are migrating to this area. All you need to secure this unit is an initial deposit of 20 million naira. With 20 million naira, you are already an owner of this property. Call me today to secure your property here in Mowe, one of the fastest growing area here, very close to Ikeja. Smart investors, subscribe, click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell for more real estate opportunities coming up on this channel. And do remember to share and like. And yes, do remember to also follow me on other social media platforms. My name is Funke Adedeji of Valuate Properties.